Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Class 10, English chapter 6, the topic the 100 dresses part 2. Previously we have seen Wanda, that girl was Polish girl. She was with the school and the children did not like. Children had different types of jokes with this girl, and that was the reason she was something different. And we have seen that one of the two girls, Peggy and Maddie, they used to speak jokes to her, and because of that we saw that she had the opposite mind. Say always they say that, Wanda, how many dresses you have? And he told that I have 100 dresses, and they did not believe that whether this girl had 100 dresses or not. But in the competition he made 100 paintings, and when the result was declared, she was absent. Then after what happens, let's start. While the class was circling the room, the monitor from the principal's office brought Miss Mason a note. Miss Mason read it several times and studied it thoughtfully for a while. Then she clapped her hands. Now, there was a message in the letter. So as he was circling the classroom, one of the monitor from the principal office brought a note to Miss Mason, and Mason thoughtfully read what is the matter. Then when she knew, then came to the class to tell the message. Okay, everyone back to their seat. Okay, now as he came, he told, attention, class, everyone back to their seats. Okay, so all of you listen with special notice for every one of you. When the shuffling of feet had stopped and the room was still and quiet, Miss Mason said, now, when the shuffling means walking of feet had stopped, as everyone stopped walking, then after everybody kept quiet, Miss Mason spoke. I have a letter from Wanda's father that I want to read it to you. Whose letter? Wanda's father's letter. Yes, students, let's see. So Miss Mason stood there a moment, and the silence in the room grew tense and expectant as he told that Wanda's father letter. Then everybody puzzled, surprised. What may be the letter? That's why the extreme silence followed in the classroom, and the silence in the room grew tense and expectant. The teacher adjusted her glasses slowly and deliberately. Yeah. Now, teacher, before she speaks, she adjusted the glass slowly and deliberately, intentionally. Her manner indicated that what was coming now. The expression of this teacher showed that what the teacher is going to say. Let's see. This letter from Wanda's father. Yeah, Wanda का पापा का father का letter है. Let's see. Was a matter of great importance. Yeah, very important letter. Everybody listened closely as Miss Mason read the brief note. Yeah, brief note. Let's see. In very short way, the letter told. What is the letter here? Dear teacher, my Wanda will not come to your school anymore. Jack also. Now we move away to big city. No more holler polek. No more ask why funny name. Plenty of funny names in the big city. Yours truly, Jan Petronsky. Jan Petronsky. Okay. Here, Wanda's father told that Wanda is leaving the school. Even Wanda's sister brother also. And they will no more in the city, they will leave this school. And no person of Polish descent. Means Polish means they are from foreign land. They were immigrant to America, and we are going to different place. And no more jokes, no more. They will comment my son, brother. Okay. So in this way, the letter was very painful letter. Whoever will read definitely will feel with pain. A deep silence made the reading of this letter. Yeah, deep silence. As the letter was so much serious letter, सब काम बंद हो गया है. Miss Mason took off her glasses. Yeah, अपना चश्मा निकाल के blew on them and wiped them on her soft white handkerchief. Yeah, and wiped them on the her soft white handkerchief means clean this spectacle. Then she put them on again and looked at the glass. Now he cleaned this spectacle glass and once again wear it and told something. When she spoke, her voice was very low because it was a serious topic. That's why Miss Mason spoke very softly. What he told here? She told, I am sure that none of the boys and girls in room 13 would purposely and deliberately hurt anyone's feelings. Rule number 13. Nobody should hurt any person by wrong words. Yeah, because his or her name happened to be long और अनफेमिलियर वन, किसका नाम अगर घटिया है, उल्टा पुल्टा है, तो किसी को मतलब उल्टा सीधा बोलना नहीं है. As rule number 13 class, rule number 13 student, you are very mischievous and because of you, one of the student left the school because of you. I prefer to think that what was said in thoughtfulness. Yeah, thoughtfulness. It was not good out of your thinking. I know that all of you feel the way I do. Yes, as I say, you follow my words. Now the word of the teacher, Miss Mason, that this is a very unfortunate thing, is very bad luck, very not good thing to have happened. ऐसा घटना जो हुआ है, is very bad thing. Who told? Miss Mason told to the class. Unfortunate and sad, बहुत दुखदायी कहानी है कि because of your comments, one student left the school. Both, and I want you all to think about it. Yeah, you all to think about it. What about this class? You as misbehave this girl. That's why the girl left the school. That is very bad. Yes, you should not behave like this. This was the warning and the teacher's comment to the student. Okay, the first period was a study period now. As Wanda was available at school, now her, all the students they were, and what are the first period? Let's discuss study period. Maddie, you know Maddie and Peggy were the best friend. Peggy and Maddie, the best friend. Let's see. Tried to prepare for her lessons, but she could not put her mind on her work. Now, Maddie emotion, क्योंकि उनके जो हरकत के लिए वंडा छोड़ के गई है और यहाँ पर मेडी को बहुत अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. क्या सोच रही है? She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. Sick feeling in the bottom of stomach means odd feeling. पेट का अंदर खराब है मतलब कुछ गड़बड़ी है. Something Maddie feels very odd. What she feels odd? True. She had not enjoyed listening to Peggy. Asked Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet. Yeah, she had not enjoyed listening. Miss Peggy what asked her how many dresses you have. Maddie had not listened and also warned also that is not my fault. It's the Peggy she tells. Yes, I am reading. She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of the stomach. True, she had not enjoyed listening to Peggy ask Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet, but she had said nothing. Matilda had said nothing. Yeah, she had stood by silently. Yeah, she had stood by silently means Wanda, and that was just as bad as what Peggy had done. Peggy को नहीं पूछना चाहिए, बेचारी चुपचाप रह जा रही थी. कि Peggy should not ask this type of question. Yeah, she was a coward. She was a coward means foolish. At least Peggy had not considered they were being mean. Yeah, Peggy should think that this mean means very low thing, means bad thing. Peggy को सोचना चाहिए कि ये जो बोल रही है वंडा को ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. Yeah, at least Peggy hadn't considered they were being mean, but she, Maddie, had thought they were doing wrong. Yeah. Maybe thought, yeah, in their own, that whatever they were doing that is wrong means वंडा को जो बिहेव दिखा रहे थे वो गलत है. या she could put herself in Vanda's shoes. Yeah, she could put herself in Vanda's shoes. Goodness, wasn't there anything she could do? If only she could tell Wanda she had not meant to hurt her feelings. Now, उसका इच्छा है maybe कि हम जो हरकत किए हैं, what we have done this type of mischief to Wanda, why not we go and tell Sully that we have behaved like that. Yeah, so if only she could tell Wanda she had not meant to hurt her feeling, she turned around and stole a glance at Peggy. Now Wanda and Margaret looked at Peggy, and what did she think about Wanda? And stole a glance at Peggy, but Peggy did not look off. She seemed to be studying hard. Yes. Now, here Peggy was busy in studying. Well, whether Peggy felt badly or not, she, Maddie, had to do something. She had to find Wanda Bertonsky. Now, whether Peggy will give admission or not, no problem, but Maddie thought that I will search Wanda's house. Yeah, maybe she had to find Wanda Petonsky. Maybe she had not yet moved away. उनको बोले को साल को छोड़ जाएंगे, साल तो नहीं भी होंगे, तैयारी में होंगे, तो बैठेंगे go and find. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her. If Maggie also helped Maddie, then both of them can go Wanda house. Yeah. And they would tell Wanda she had won the contest as the competition. Wanda got what? First position in drawing competition to making the design of the dress. Let's see. So they would like to say that Wanda will get has got the prize, so better she can commentate that they thought she was smart and the 100 dresses were beautiful. Okay. When school was dismissed in the afternoon, yeah, when school was over, Peggy said, who said? Peggy said, with pretended casualness. Pretended casualness means something in cleverness that whether maybe will obey or not, listen or not. Yeah, something she thought that if I say okay or not, hey, let's go and see if that kid has left town or not. Who told Peggy? Let's go. Wanda is in the town or not or gone, let's go and find. So Peggy had the same idea as Peggy thought. Maddie also thought something. Yeah, Peggy had the same idea as the idea of Maddie. So Maddie glowed. Glowed means full of light. Peg was really alright. Now both of them decided to go to Wanda's house. Okay? The two girls hurried out to the building of the street towards Bogin Heights. Wanda's place for the location, Bogin Heights. Do you know Bogin Heights is the area where Wanda was living? The part of a town that wore such a forbidding air. Forbidding air means the air cannot go in that area. On this kind of a November afternoon, yeah, November, yeah. Drizzly means something light rain, damp and dismal, yeah. Some dismal means some disturbance and rain and not good in condition. And now both the girls now reached towards this place. Well, at least, said Peggy gruffly, means in low and harsh voice. At least anyway we reached this place, maybe odd place, maybe not comfortable place. They were going to Peggy's height, okay, but at least they reached this place. Then I never did call her a foreign. Now both of them talking. I never did call her a foreigner और मेक फन ऑफ हर हु टोल्ड पेगी कि मैं उसको नहीं चिढ़ाती थी कि मैं उसको फॉरेनर है, विदेशी है। और आई नेवर थॉट शी हैड द सेंस ऑफ टू नो वी आर मेकिंग फन ऑफ हर एनी वे, कि हम उसको मजाक नहीं लेते थे। वी आर नॉट मेकिंग फन। नाउ पेगी इज क्लैरिफाइंग टू मेडी, ओके, I thought she was too down, as she unable to speak, as she has no voice to speak. That's why he talk like that. And Gi means surprise. Look how she can draw. Yeah, here Wanda had a good artist, can draw good pictures. Now told Peggy to Mary. Okay, so Mary could say nothing, silent. All she hoped was that they would find Wanda. Mega kitchen में Wanda को मिल जाने से all the matter I will tell. It's okay. She wanted to tell her that they were sorry. First thing sorry. हम जो तुम्हारे साथ हरकत किए हैं उसके लिए हम अपने आप को दुखी समझते हैं. Sorry. They had picked on her and how wonderful the whole school thought she was. She is a wonderful girl, has a good painting, excellent painting, got the top position in the class, first position in the class. Really pride of the school. We will tell. And please, yeah, and how wonderful the whole school thought she was, and please not to move away. Yeah, don't leave our school. Be in our school, be in this town, and everybody would be nice. Yeah, everybody would be nice. सब कुछ सुंदर हो जाएगा. So everybody like you. That means she and Peggy would fight anybody who was not nice. Yeah, she and Peggy will fight. Those who are not nice will fight. But you are nice girl. We said no. This is their thinking, and they have gone to the Wanda's house. Let's see. The two girls hurried on. They hoped to get to the top of the hill before dawn. Yeah, top of the hill. The area on the top of the hill. They have to reach before sunset, before evening comes. Okay. I think that's where the patronage live, said Mady, pointing to the little white house. Now they observe. इन सफेद वाला घर को देख के बोले जरूर यहाँ पर वांडा रहती है. या pointing to a little white house, wisps of old grass stalk off here and there along the pathway like thin kittens. यहाँ wisps of small grass, छोटा सा घास निकल गया था जैसे कि छोटा सा बिल्ली का बच्चा है, जब like kitten, and it was observed the house and its spare little yard. House and spare means scattered little yard. Spare means scattered little yard. Looked shabby but clean. Yeah, not good in condition but neat and clean. Okay, shabby means old in condition. Old type house. Who Wanda was living. Okay. It reminded Mady of Wanda's one dress. Yeah. उनको ये भी याद है कि वंडा एक ही ड्रेस पहन के स्कूल आती है, ब्लू ड्रेस. ओके, हर फेडेड ब्लू कॉटन ड्रेस सैबी बट क्लीन, पुराना हो गया था लेकिन साफ सुथरा था. वंडा wearing only one blue shaded or faded dress. Okay, so there was not a sign of life about the house. जब घर को गए तो कोई इंसान का हलचल कुछ नहीं है. Peggy knocked fondly on the door. Yeah, Peggy दरवाजा कभी खटखटाया, कोई तो होंगे. But there was no answer, means already they have left this house. She and Mady went around to the backyard, पीछे तरफ जाके देखे, and knocked there also, but no response. Still there was no answer. There was no doubt about it. The Pitonsi were gone. Family of Wanda has already gone. How could they ever make amends? Means how to show that one is sorry by doing something good. How to say that we have come to apologize our mistake, our committing errors, but they are already late. They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. Yes, पूरा हिल से नीचे उतर के जहाँ से आए थे वहाँ अपने घर को चल दिए. They went back to their house. Well, anyway, sadly, she has gone now. अभी और नहीं है घर में. So what can we do? या anyway the deadlock, हम और क्या कर सकते हैं. Besides, when I was asking her about all her dresses, मैं तो उससे पूछ रहा था तुम्हारा कितना ड्रेस है. She probably was getting good idea for a drawing. She got idea of drawing. As I asked 100 dress, she got idea of 100 dress painting. Dress painting idea. Yeah, she was an artist. Okay. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. As I told 100 presidents, she got the idea and made the 100 race painting, and that's why she got prize. She would not get these remarks. Okay. Mary turned this idea carefully over in her head. Yeah, Mary also told, okay, you have told correct. For if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. Yeah, Mary also told that Wanda should not feel bad of our talkings. But that night she could not get to sleep. Yeah, Mary disturbs in sleeping. उस रात में सोने में भी बहुत दिक्कत हो गया. She thought about Wanda and her faded blue dress and her little house she had lived in. Now Mary thought about the Wanda, her little blue dress and her little house and everything. Mary thought and it disturbed her sleeping. Okay, and she thought of the glowing picture those 100 dresses made, all lined off in the classroom. At last, yeah. Let's see. She thought about the 100 days in the classroom. What I had made. At last, Mary sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. Now, Mary sit down and press her head, means something headache. And he thoughtfully, Mary thought something. This was the hardest thinking she had ever done. Mary thought and thought for a long time because of her this type of activity. Yes, after a long time, she reached an important conclusion. What Mary? And the important conclusion में आखिरी सोच में पहुंची. What is the last conclusion? She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. Yeah, Mary will not say anything more about Wanda. Yeah. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. Yeah, if she ever heard anybody speaking on someone, कोई किसी को ऐसे बोलते हैं because they are funny looking, कोई अगर घटिया दिखते हैं, अच्छा नहीं अजीब सा दिखते हैं और because they had strange name और अजीब सा नाम भी है, she would speak up. When you speak that is bad, you don't say like that. I will be against that. Yeah. Even if it means losing Page's friendship, अगर Peggy भी कुछ बोलती है वरना कोई other girl को कि मैं इसके protest करूँ, I will protest against that. मैं my friendship with Peggy में collapse or destroy. Yeah. She had no way of making things right with Wanda. Yeah. Mary told that. मैं Wanda के साथ बातचीत अच्छा नहीं हुआ. Let's see. So, but from now on, she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. As Mary told that, I have no good feeling with Wanda, but next time, I will not be like that. Anybody misbehaves like Peggy or ever say anything, I will protest it. Yeah? She would never make anybody else that unhappy again. Clear to understand? That she will sit there, I will not make any unhappy incidents. Okay. On Saturday, Mary spent the afternoon with Peggy. Now, this is Saturday scenery. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. Now they wrote a letter to Wanda because she was in another town. They told her how pretty her paintings were. Now they credited Wanda's painting, that your painting is excellent. Yeah, correct. They told her how pretty her paintings were, and they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. In the new school, a new teacher, how is she? Does she like her new teacher? Does she like her friends, etc.? Or school? You ask the question, okay? They had mean to say they were sorry that whatever we have done, as we have misbehaved you or made you fun, we are sorry for our attitudes and behavior. Let's see. But it ended up with just they are just writing a friendly letter. Now they wrote a friendly letter कि हमारे में जो गलती है excuse us, and they sign it with lots of X for law. Yeah, sign of X means lots of X. Yeah, for law of that we will not repeat. Yes, excuse us. Okay. They mailed the letter to Bogins Heights. Bogins Heights से इसको लेटर को भेजे. Writing please forward on the envelope. Now we Bogins Heights से बोले कि लेटर को मेरी जहाँ रहती वहाँ पर लेटर को भेज दो. Let's see. Days passed and there was no answer. It's okay. Already days passed. But the letter did not come back. Days passed and there was no answer, but the letter did not come back. As they wrote the letter to Wanda about their excuse letter, but no reply. Yeah. So maybe Wanda had received it. Perhaps she was so hot and angry. शायद उसको खराब लगी हुई. May she feel, yeah, maybe hot feeling, maybe angry, maybe revenge. She was not going to answer. Maybe that's why. Different feelings, maybe. Yeah. She could not blame her. You could not blame her. Weeks went by and still Wanda did not answer. Weeks means maybe 7 days or more than that, but no answer. It's okay. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business because of some days past. Peggy और सब कुछ भूल चुकी है. New life has already started. Yeah, Peggy had begun to forget all the business and Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Wanda. Maddie more speeches about Wanda. Wanda को जब speech देना शुरू कर दी, देखिए कि how much they had the influence over this girl. Let's see. Defending her from great crowd of girls who were trying to teach her with, who were teaching Becky to defend me, save, to protect from this type of attitudes that you should not behave like that. Means here, Maddie defends the Wanda-like character. Yes, defending her from great crowd of girls who were trying to teach her. Means they may teach Maddie also. I would say then, how many dresses have you got? Yeah, these type of words. Maybe try to stop this type of talkings. I told the Wanda that it is not good. Now, after Wanda he left the school, still maybe thinks that you should not behave like this. Okay? How many? Yeah, and before Wanda could press her lips together in a little tight line, the way she did before answering, yeah, as Wanda आंसर देने से पहले जी होंठ को क्या पूरा टाइट करती थी. या मेडी वुड क्राई आउट. मेडी को अगर कोई बोलते हैं अगर 100 सब कुछ ऐसा है स्टॉप. या if anybody remarks this type of speech to Maddie, she instead of tight of the mouth because Wanda's character was there. Wanda can anybody comments Wanda had no voice, just tight the lip means गुस्सा को मुंह में रखती थी. But here Maddie can shout stop. Yeah, then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. Yeah, anybody say Maddie was so poor girl, you know. She had also no more dress and friends they comment that you had also under dress. Yeah, but Maddie reacted something different. Stop by saying all the students their feelings were something different. Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. दूसरों को सब लगता था ऐसे बोलने में. Now it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. Okay, in the winter time, Christmas is winter time, December month. चलता क्या पानी का उस गिर गया है, ठंडा बहुत है. Christmas bells and small tree decorated the classroom. Classroom में Christmas bell और सजावट से भर दिए हैं. Yeah, small tree. Yeah, decorated the classroom on the last day of school before the holiday. Yeah, after Christmas comes holiday. So now they are decorating the school as they are in decoration. Let's see. The teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. Yeah. Which teacher? Miss Mason got the letter, and that letter she showed the class in this time of December month. Okay. Now what was the letter like decisions? You remember Wanda Petrosky? Yeah? You know Wanda? Was the police girl? She spoke to the class, rule number 13, yeah? The gifted little artist who won the drawing contest. Now, gifted little artist. God gifted artist. Who? Wanda was? God given artist. Yeah, good artist. Yeah. Let's see. He won the contest. Well, she was written me. Yeah, Wanda's letter. What is the letter written here? And I am glad to know where she lives. Where means from this town to another town she lives, because I here Wanda has written, sent a letter to the class teacher, and class teacher got the address, and class teacher mentioned things that I have no problem because I got the address. So what means I will send her what? This medal and prize to her. Yeah, I want to read a letter to you. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intensely. The whole class they listened what the letter was. Dear Miss Mason, how are you? And room number 13. Oh, Wanda भी याद करती है room number 13 को. Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses. Which dresses? 100 dresses are drawing which made in the classroom, and everywhere it was decorated. Okay, because in my new house I have 100 new ones. मैं नए घर में और शॉर्ट बनाया हूँ मैं. All line up in my closet, in my cupboard में सजा रखी हूँ. I have dressed, I have decorated. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress. It's the green वाला dress है उसको दे देना मुझे बनाना. Yeah, green dress with the red trimming, red design, red decoration. And her friend Mehdi to have the blue one. Mehdi को blue वाला dress देना. You are buying blue वाला dress देना. Yeah, for Christmas gift. I miss that school, and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Yeah, new teacher not like you, not similar to you. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. And this way, Wanda Petrosky writes, yours truly, Wanda Petrosky. She wrote this letter to Miss Mason. So now, two drawing of this dress gifted to Peggy and Mehdi. Let's see. On the way home from school, Mehdi and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. All the house had refs means arrangement or flower of decorations, and होली in the windows. या विंडो को भी सजा दी हैं क्रिसमस के टाइम में. आउटसाइड अ ग्रोसरी दुकान के बाहर में भी स्टोर 100 of Christmas tree were stocked means arranged. बहुत सारा क्रिसमस ट्री से त्यौहार को सजा दिए हैं उन लोग. एंड इन द विंडो कैंडी पिपरमेंट स्टिक्स and cornucopious means decorative containers full of flowers and fruits को सजा दिए हैं. Yeah, and a shiny transparent paper were strong. Transparent paper means the paper we can see from one side to another side. Whole town is decorated with the designs and flowers and different types of art. Let's see. Everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. Snow में चारों तरफ बहुत तरफ सजावट है. Looking excellent. Boy, said Peggy. Yeah, Peggy बोली. This shows she really likes us. Yeah, as Peggy was drawing and they were going on the way to their their house full of decoration, they felt. Peggy told that it proves that Wanda liked us. It's okay? Let's see. And it shows she got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is alright. That's that. And it proves that सब कुछ ठीक, everything likes it. Yeah, everything alright. Yeah, saying that. In our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is alright. सब कुछ ठीक है. Now they felt to Peggy and Mary about these decorations. It's okay? I hope so. Who told as Peggy told, Mary also told in the same way. I also believe like that. It's okay? It shows she got, let's see. It shows she got our letters, and this is her way of saying that everything is alright, and that's that. Okay? Let's see as Wanda definitely got our letter, that's why she has written like that, everybody, everything alright, and that's all. सब कुछ ठीक है. Means that's why Wanda loved us, that's why she has wrote like that. Yeah? And here Mary told, yes, I hope so. She felt sad. Mary was बहुत दुखी है कि Wanda छोड़ चली गई है. Let's see. Because she knew she would never see the little title lived polished girl again. क्योंकि वो कभी भी बेटी और अभी वांडा को जो मुंह चबा के रखती है ऐसे लड़की को लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखेगी, वो चल दी है सर छोड़ के. And could not even ever really make things right between them. और दोनों में जो गड़बड़ी था उसको कभी सुधार नहीं पाई. Mary thinks about Wanda and very sorry and sad. हमारा उनके बीच जो थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक में वो नाराज हो गई थी शायद. That's why हम कभी भी उसको सुधार नहीं पाएंगे. She went home and pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. Bedroom में जाके उस drawing को क्या की सजा दी. Yeah, the shabby room. We know that one Mary's house was some maybe not good. Poor girl. Yeah, shabby means not clean house. Came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. इस कलर से घर का रौनक और बढ़ गया. Mary sat down on her bed. Mary अपने बेड बिछौने में बैठ गई and looked at the drawing. Yeah, Mary looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing. Drawing को देखते रह गई Mary. But Wanda had been nice to her anyway. Mary told that कि Wanda अच्छी थी. हम उसको मतलब हंसी मजाक करते थे. Wanda was a good girl, but we are thinking something jokes. Tears blurred her eyes. Mary की आंखों से पानी आ गया. Yeah, blood means can be seen clearly in her eyes, and she gazed for a long time at the picture. और picture को लंबे समय से देखते रही. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it instantly. और उसके बाद आंखों को पोंछ के वो he see something just intently he studied it. Yeah, what about this painting? The colors in the trees. What is studied? इस पेंटिंग में जो कलर है या ट्रेस were so vivid, clear that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. इस कलर में मेरी अपना चेहरा अपना और फेस एंड हेड को देख पा रही है. बट इट लुक लाइक हर, उसमें जो तस्वीर में चेहरा दिख रही है, just looking like Mary. That means Wanda has made this painting for Mary, and in this painting, face of head and neck, face could be seen in this drawing. It's okay. So it really looked like her own mouth. वो पेंटिंग में जो मुंह दिख रहा है अपना ही मुंह दिख रहा है. Why? It really looked like her own self. ये ऐसी पेंटिंग में बेटी का ही तस्वीर दिख रहा है. Wanda had really drawn this for her. जो पेंटिंग बनाई है Wanda मेडी के लिए बनाई है. Yeah, let's see. Excitedly she ran over to Peggy. Now excitedly full of she ran to Peggy's house and told that, what's the matter? He told Peg. She said, let me see your picture. Mary told, let me see your picture. Then Mary told, Peg told, what's the matter? Asked Peggy. As they clattered up to room where Wanda's drawing was laying face down on the bed. Yeah, Maddie carefully raised it. That's now. Maddie called, and what the matter asked Maddie, and they clattered means to make a continuous rattling sound up to her room where Wanda's drawing was laying face down on the bed. मतलब बेड डाउन फेस नीचे झुका हुआ है उसको देखिए. मेडी केयरफुली रेज इट. लुक सी डू इट. ना मेरी को देखिए वो बनाई है क्या. दैट्स यू सी एक्सप्लेन. एंड द हेड एंड द फेस ऑफ दिस पिक्चर डिड लुक लाइक Peggy. Maybe saw the picture of Peggy also. In this painting, the face and the head also just look like Peggy. So that means the two paintings were actually made by Wanda to Peggy and Maddie. Let's see. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. Now Peggy realized that Wanda liked us too much. That's why she had made this painting very well. It's okay for us. She made this painting. Yes, she must have. Now, who told? This Maddie also told that yes, that's true. Agreed Maddie. Clear to understand? And she blinked away the tears. Means shut and open of the tears. आँखों का जो आंसू को पोंछी Maddie. And that came every time the thought of Wanda. वंडा को सोचते हुए आंखों से पानी मेडी का आ रही थी. उसको पोंछते हुए बोली कि that's true. She must have loved us. Okay. Every time she thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard. Yeah. हमेशा जो स्कूल के बाहर में she stood there all the time. She remembered this past scenery. It's okay. Looking stolidly means calm over the group of laughing girls after she had walked off. Yes, once again. She thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard. Remember the past scenery. Looking stolidly means looking calm over the group of laughing girls. बाकी लड़कियां तो हंसते थे. वांडा चुपके से रुक के सुनती थी और कुछ नहीं बोलती थी. या after she had walked off, after she had said, "Sure, 100 of them all lined up." This is the end of the story. This Wanda, she had said that I have 100 dress for you all. Yes, my dear student, this is last of the completed chapter. What they thought Peggy and Maddie about Wanda was incorrect, but actually Wanda loved them. What he thought about the painting or the dresses, and actually she did every job. And when Wanda left their school, then after they felt their mistakes and confessed that they had done wrong, but once she has gone miss only for crying and very sad to express. So the lesson is full of emotion at the end. So I hope you, whatever I discuss and explain, you have understood. Study well, repeat, study more and more, and have a good day. See you once again in next period. Okay, goodbye.